guys, and welcome back to another video on my channel, Dynamic D. Now in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make animated text. Let's get into it. So for this video, you will need the app Keynote. Keynote is the Apple version of PowerPoint. So yeah, so you want to press new presentation, and here we are. Now here's one thing I've created, so I'll just press new slide, and I will just delete that. You can rename it, so I'll rename it Dynamic D. And you want to add text. So add plus and press this one. Then you can press text. So choose the thing you want to write. Now, why would you want to make something like this? So you can add it on your stream, or you can create it as an intro. This is a really good way to make an intro. So you could think about it like that. Now I'll show you something at the end. So you want to highlight your text, obviously, because we want to make it bigger, look good. By the way, I will also show you how to change the background. So press the paintbrush and press text. And then press caption and choose a font you want. I've created my own custom font, and I'll show you how to do it. You choose your font, so you have Noteworthy, Times New Roman, all that. You can choose what type you want, so bold, italics, underline, whatever you want, strike through. There's some more, all caps. You can choose your colors, and your line style. So my line style is currently like that, but you can make it however you want. And then you just go back and do width. So you can change the width, okay? Keep the width like a small number, but not a big number. Like not too small, but not too big. So you get that. See, it looks maybe a little, yeah. Because look, if I make it too high, it just consumes the whole thing. So that would be good. Text background, you don't want any. Ligatures, none. Next, you want to go to text color, so you can have that 2 different colors. You can make it white, and then it'll look like a chalk effect. I chose black, because obviously that's my Dynamic D colors. And that's really it for right now. Now you want to press, let go and press style. Press that paintbrush again, and choose background. You want to choose a background so you can have it as your, as a good background. Now, I suggest using green so you can add a chroma key effect. If you don't know, a chroma key effect is where you get rid of the background and it just highlights the thing that's not in the background. So it'll only highlight the text. Okay, and I'll delete this one, if I can. Nope, wait. Delete. Oops, let me quickly redo that. All I have to do is just press color and green. So you can obviously get the green screen. Okay? Now highlight it, and you want to also make your text really big. So go here and make it. You'll notice like it's not going really big, but try to make it at least 200, okay? And like I said, choose your font. And then you want to press, you don't want to do anything here. Nothing here. If you want to flip it, lock it. If you want to lock it, it won't move, so just unlock it, okay? So this is your text. Now center it, and yeah. Another way you could also center it is if you highlight all of this, you can also press text, and you can press middle, and then this. So it's like evenly spaced. Okay, now the next thing we will need is the animation, okay? So this is going to be called an animated GIF. A GIF is a file that has movement under one thing. It uses frames and all that. So you want to highlight your text, obviously. Press the 3 things and press transitions and builds. Okay, I currently have some. I'll just remove them. That's ugly. Okay, so press on add build in and choose a build. You have things like trace, will trace it in. Blur is one of my favorites. It's just Dynamic D. Fireworks is also a cool one. And it's really just however you want it. Like if you want to make it for the beginning of your stream, Dynamic D. Or Dynamic D. So I'll choose trace. Okay? And then I'll press, then I'll click out, so it'll take me back to the menu. Now add action. Now this action is really cool. You can choose to blink. So it's going to do something before the build in and build out. Okay? So choose create path because that's the best one, and press so now press this one, and now drag it around, creating shapes where your text will go, and it'll create like this really good effect. You can create as however you want. So it looks messy, but press done. Okay? Now press that. Now if you want to delete something, just press on it and press delete. You can also change its duration and change it. You can also view it. And add build out is the same thing. You can just send it just disappearing. You have some basic ones like disappear. Right. Okay, that's weird. You have fly out, which is also you can just blur it out because obviously that'll look good. However you want though, and then press done. Okay, so here you have it. Now when you're exporting, you want it to press export and press. Now there's two things you want. If you want it as a profile pic or your status on WhatsApp, Facebook, anything like that, choose animated GIF. Now if you want it to be as a video, so you can export it into iMovie, DaVinci Resolve 16, Filmora 9, just to edit it, then press movie. Okay, so yeah, so you can export it. So if I press movie, by the way, export movie, it's going to ask you all of this. Keep the resolution at original size, okay? Slide range, all the slides you want, and go to the next build after 2 to 3 seconds, okay? And then you can press export. So I hope you guys like this tutorial, and yeah. See you later, guys. Bye-bye. Here's the animated text I made.